Pull up and Demi bandana and Nudie go singing like Hannah Montana.
Oh!
Take them trips back and forth to rip some heads like we're
Not gonna lie, their flow, both of their flow, they just kind of bounce off each other like.
If you fuck with an A92, stand up, put one hand.
And guys, Nix is what, 17? Youngest in charge, he's doing well like.
Look what we did. Look what we did, yeah. Hey, look what we did. Look what we did here with a jiggy step. We been flexing, turn a set into a raid. Jiggy step, I got it trying to jiggy step, jiggy step. Look what we did. Look what we did, yeah. Hey, look what we did. Look what we did here with a jiggy step. We been flexing, turn a set.
Hey guys, it's your boy Specialist and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a reaction video, something I ain't done before, on Nix and Kebs from the A92 crew. The song came out like half an hour ago, like 7:24, so the song came out at 7 o'clock. So it's already been premiered. So I'm going to be listening to the song and obviously you guys are gonna see my reaction for the video. Make sure you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to support your kid by subscribing to the YouTube channel, which should be somewhere at the bottom corner, somewhere there. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the post notification so you know whenever I upload a new video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, comment below. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this or other videos you would like to see on my channel. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay. Obviously Wrist on Bop, Debo, K-Sav and Nix released that a couple weeks ago. Okay, music recordings. I like the way it started so far.
Yo, Nix.
Keeping in the crew.
Bro, I'm feeling liquid back to back team.
Can't lie, I'm kind of feeling one too.
Okay.
Look, don't fall like Humpty, man get dumpy, tell go back like Pumpy.
It's already started off with flames.
It's Friday funky, kick out chunky, beef ain't straight, it's wonky. Fry man Kentucky.
Alright, K-Sav in the video, part of the A92 crew. I'm guessing the whole of the A92 are obviously going to be in the video, supporting the team.
Up the stick like hockey, spill juice on purpose, leave man curl up. Somebody call 911. A92 stay winning the beef, you're nuts if you think that the Niners won. Yo.
Let me not lie, I've heard bits of this song already because obviously the other day I was with A92 recording, helping them out. No, I was recording a vlog, obviously helping them out to get to destinations and that. So I heard a bit of it, but I didn't hear the whole thing. But
send out the riders screaming, the pagans do like we be. Get around there, bro, day on violence, man don't care like J and me.
Discuss you fuck with an A92, stand up, put one hand.
And guys, Nix is what, 17? Youngest in charge, he's doing well, like bars already at his young age, like big up him fam.
Up in the air like Hitler, bad bees go.
Take them trips back and forth to rip some heads like we're
Not gonna lie, their flow, both of their flow, they just kind of bounce off each other like, and both their flows are different, so they're giving you different type of vibe but still flames at the same time, like brother.
No Smith, master between my step and a pagan strip strapped up like Mori on brick. The hand thing cuff like Rona, let it sneeze, you can call it sick. Don't know why I see some pagan news in the strip, mission your Nix.
If I spin a scoop on a man, I'm making him run like Shaggy and Scoop. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We play hide and seek, got tag, I choose you. Swing that Grammy in for your head, I'm trying to see where they talk about you.
I like this jumpy type of flow, it gives me like a little Russ type of vibe as well, still. They're that nice and jumpy like,
Bust down, really make a man drip or make a man drown out my sea like cubes.
If you want to know, we get them jobs, ask a boo-boo, ask a pagan, baby. Mr. Crime Bully, mate, ain't all smoke, my stuff, be a play. It's a big boy game in the field, green and shooting out, maybe.
I pull up and Demi bandana and Nudie go singing like Hannah Montana.
Oh!
Whether you might need umbrella, ain't talking Rihanna.
I'm not gonna lie, both of them have some mad punchlines, like
I stay silent, so when I'm in the team, I should watch me whip. The chain went out the back like Ben, but I scored 10 up front like Curry. Spent 5 when I came like that, I had to chop that, man, it wasn't too shabby. Never ever get caught in the lock, oh snap, watch man turn mess to me like baby, just swing me the addy, man, I get round there, happy, it's like
fall like Humpty, man get dumpy, tailboat back like pumpy. It's Friday,
The chorus is catchy as well. The chorus is actually mad catchy. Catchy? Wow. But mad, wow. Struggling. Mad catchy still. Don't follow that Humpty, man get. No, I'm not even gonna try. I'm not a rapper like that.
Right man Kentucky, trip unlucky, man don't box like Rocky. Just back that flicky, run man down and slap this stick like Rocky. Spill juice on purpose, leave my girl up. Somebody call
911.
892, stay winning the beef, you're nuts if you think that the 9 is won. Yo, so we don't slide to the B-boy, slid to the B and your boy got fun. I pop corn at the 9, no popcorn, anything 9 get popped with corn.
Yeah, not gonna lie, I'm liking it still. 892, hottest topic. Nah, they're doing well still. What's this album? Releasing 11th of December. Yeah, this is what they were telling me about, the mixtape. Dropping 11th of December. Yeah, that's looking like it's gonna be flames still. Not gonna lie, rate these lot. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, I was with them over the weekend. So, I heard a couple of their tunes that they have coming up. Saw how they kind of make their music, and let me not lie, these are people to watch out for. Trust me, these men are making moves, proper moves. These men are doing well. Let me not lie to you. These men are making moves. Kebs, Nix, Debo, K-Sav, BT, Fisher, and their manager Jay Sappho. Not gonna lie, they are definitely one to look out for. Also, while I was with them, they did like a radio station with, I think, Goku. They've done a couple still, but I think one's out on Officious page with Goku. Also, like you saw in the video, they've got an album releasing next week. I thought it was Thursday, it was actually Friday on the 11th. So obviously make sure you check that out. As well, on top of that, I'm dropping a vlog, probably a 2-part vlog. 3-part vlog, we'll see, I don't know. Dropping a vlog with them from, I'm probably going to drop it on Sunday or Monday. I don't know yet. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment if you guys want to see more reaction videos to other people's videos. And yeah, peace.
Really make a man drip or make a man drown. I might see that cubes.
If you wanna, we get them drops, ask a booby.